Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to reviewing the slime I got real quick, and then I'm going to be doing what I have underneath this desk. So first we're gonna be doing these two class slimes first. Okay, this is cherry. It's very cherry scented slime. This is fluffy cloud slime. This is really beautiful. It's thick, really thick. I give this a 9 out of 10. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot to say I'm rating these two. Okay, now we're gonna be doing this one. It's called Good Slime. Good Slime. If you can see the G. Good Slime. Yeah. This is blue slime. I named it mermaid slime because it doesn't have a name.
Everybody wants to be the champ of the world.
Sorry about the background noises. It's my dad talking on the phone with my uncle, and it's the TV. I turned him to turn
Yeah, what do they say? Yeah, everybody wants to be the hammer. Nobody wants to be the nail.
He talks a lot and loud. But this is also cloud slime. Let's see.
They're like, that's the way it is. Like I said, I'm not sure.
And I got this large. This is kind of like a large slime because, yeah.
I know the program I've been setting up since day one, since I was at that
I sorted this one to the thing. Oh, there goes the camera. This is watermelon slime. That's my milkshake. My milkshake that I want to be. Okay. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you. These have seeds, but it wasn't what I was going to tell you. I was going to tell you that I bought this watermelon slime at Target, and also the very cherry scented slime at Target too. And I bought the mermaid good slime at Amazon. If you don't know what Amazon is, I'm pretty sure you're just a boomer. A boomer, I meant. A boomer. You're a boomer. You're a boomer if you don't know what Amazon is. And you're a boomer if you don't. And you're a boomer if you don't watch my YouTube channel, neither like my videos or subscribe yet. Benny, stop. Yeah, right. There was a cube slime. It was a cube slime, as you can see. There's like little cubes, but I popped all the cubes.
It's just a stress case, man. It's a head case, man. It's stress about everything. We didn't want to hear about him and his lady arguing all the time.
So yeah.
I don't even tell
Okay, now we're doing a tour about what I got. First, I have this Amazon bag. Let me take it out. This Amazon bag.
You know what I mean? Like everybody has their options open.
As you can see.
That's a better way to feel.
This is Amazon.
Like they gotta walk on eggshells.
It says Amazon Prime because it is Prime. I bought it Prime. So first, these are poppies. Everything in this bag is poppies.
I was in the trailer.
I'll show you what kind of poppies they are.
Skipped like 3 subjects.
First, this is the classic cookies and cream pop. Cookies and cream. And then the classic chocolate banana cream
He starts
cover.
talking about he grew up wrestling. he's an all-state wrestler.
And then also the
Shane.
classic strawberry
Shane.
and the classic normal.
Shane, the guy who runs the.
But
Shane, the guy
I
who
have
runs the job.
never tried the much green tea green cover. Maybe I'll try this Pockies that I've never tried and these Pockies that I've never tried on a different video. I will try them. I promise when I get my other packages. I'm not going to tell you what they are. But they're arriving tomorrow when I'm at school.
I was like, oh, that's cool. So I kind of.
So yeah, gotta put these back. The classic thing I have underneath here is I have paper towel. Paper towel roll. Yes, I hogged it. I hogged it from the day when we went to Classic Fun on my brother's birthday party. His birthday party was so 1, 2, 3 days ago. And then I'm going to bring out this box and show you what's in there. Oh, also, if you're thinking it was a big box, I also have a little big box. But first, what's in here
There's only
is
one problem in all these solutions.
3 Milky Ways, minis, bites,
That's how they are, man.
a few Snickers. I
I remember I had
have
this
one
one
Snicker,
foreman, that's how he would say.
2, 3,
He's like, I'd walk up to him,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
he'd be like, do you have any
9,
answers? He says,
and
how do you help
Snickers,
teach
and
this?
I
was
have
like,
one Hershey,
oh, that's how I would
one
do it. He
Full
goes,
Pop.
okay.
It
He
is
goes,
strawberry.
good. That's why I
Also, this happened last time, and I stopped recording. And I also have
That's all it is. Mike Madsen.
apple,
Have you met him?
green apple,
Hey, you know
cherry,
Wyatt?
watermelon,
Wyatt,
green apple.
yeah, it's his.
And yes,
yeah,
I
his whole
only
family
love
is
these
him.
red and green ones, but I also love the blue ones too. But I don't have any blue
Yeah,
ones.
White Cup, that's his name.
So yeah,
But yeah,
kind of sucks.
that's his uncle.
I'm gonna add on my Snickers, not
Called out
Snickers.
from under the bush.
I'm stupid.
That dude's a wild man.